Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to talk about the installation of our cargo pet cover for Model X and Model S. We're going to do an installation for Model X. Let's get started. The first thing we do is unroll the pet cover. You'll note we have a number of suction cup cords which we're going to use to fasten the sides of the pet cover to the side windows just to give it stability. We'll set those aside for a moment. We unroll the pet cover, open it up. We look for the front of the pet cover, which is right here, and orient it appropriately. We're going to have to turn it upside down because it has to fit this way. Roll this portion out and draping it over the headrest. For each of the suction cups, we're going to feed it through one of these 3 holes on one side, 3 more holes on the other, and adjust the length so that the suction cup will be tight against the windows. Now that we've removed the adhesive backing from the Velcro and tied on all of the suction cup cords and lengthened them appropriately, we're ready to attach the sides. The way we do that is simply to push back this section so that it leans up against the back as best we can. We then bring up our sides and adhere them using the Velcro backing to the plastic portion of the trunk area, as you see here. We then take the suction cups, tighten them. We can wet them slightly just to give them a little bit more adhesion, and stick them onto the window. The wetness will dry and we are ready to adhere. You'll note this guy is a little bit loose, so we can loosen the knot and tighten it just a bit so that we have a solid mechanical connection that won't fall down. We now have a combined way of connecting these guys, both with the adhesive and with the suction cups. We connect it over here, boom. This portion of the Velcro adhesive is actually too long to attach here, so we can either snip it off if we'd like, or as I do, just fold it onto itself to keep it out of the way. We're then going to use this portion to attach over here so that we have closure, and that works out rather nicely, just to keep dirt and fuss out of this area in the back. To keep things neat, once this is attached to your liking, we can just throw the cords behind and we're good to go.